I'm Titania Jordan, and this is your Tech Minute. This week, we're talking about new strides happening in the EV industry, and thanks to Andrew J. Hawkins from The Verge for this story. Ford announced that it will build a $3.5 billion electric vehicle factory in Michigan to build EV batteries with a lithium iron phosphate chemistry. Basically, that means that their EV cars will have a more durable, faster charging, and affordable battery. The construction project will generate 2,500 jobs for the region, with production scheduled to begin in 2026. Ford stated that it was excited to be one of the first automakers to commit to developing two separate battery chemistries for its EVs simultaneously. Lisa Drake, the Vice President of EV Industrialization at Ford Model E, the company's EV division, had this to say about lithium batteries. They are exceptionally durable, and they tolerate more frequent and faster DC fast charging, and they actually perform best when they're being charged from 0 to 100% regularly. And that is ideal for customers who want to drive all the way to empty and then charge quickly back to 100%. For more information on the new plant and EV vehicles, click the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Leave us a like, leave us a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you soon.